Hello everybody, this is Chip with Auto House. I wanted to talk to you today about a 2011 Toyota Sienna Limited that we have here. This does have the navigation and rear entertainment system. Very nice vehicle. It's a Georgia native. It's just been titled here in Georgia. Extremely well maintained, meticulously maintained. Leather seats. Does have the heated seats, navigation screen. It's got a drop down DVD player right there. It's got the 13.3 inch screen. It's got the remote for your doors as well. Push and hold, automatic doors open up. This version has the second row captain's chairs that recline. Close that back up. Got the automatic hatch. Opens up. This does have your power rear seat folding. And then another button will fold it right up into the bottom of the van, so you have complete, flat space. You have automatic closing as well. Super nice van. It does have the proximity sonars on the front and the back. Look out for little bicycles, etc. (2011). Come see me at Auto House at Hiram. Look us up online, Autohouse.US, or give me a call. Thank you. If I did